Hey guys, it's Remedy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a hairstyle that is pretty simple once you get the hang of it, but it's great for any special occasion when you want your hair to look a little bit fancier. And it should work on all hair types and hair lengths, but it works on mine, which my hair is pretty thin and it's about a medium length. So anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first step, I've kind of brushed out my hair a little bit, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a section of hair right about here. So I like to have my buns on this side because I'm going to be doing a side bun. So I like to have my buns on this side of the head. So I'm going to take a braid and we're going to be working down diagonally. If you like your buns on this side, then just start on this side and you'll work diagonally. Okay, so you take a little corner right here and we're going to use a little elastic hairband. If you want, you could get like fun colors and add fun colors to your hair, but I'll just be doing ones that blend in with my natural hair color. So you just rubber band that. Okay. So then after you've done that little rubber band, you're going to, hopefully you can tell with my dark hair, but you're going to take another little section right below it. See? You're going to section that off, and you're going to rubber band that section as well. Okay, now this part is a little bit trickier. So you have two weird little ponytails right here. Okay, so you're going to take that very first little ponytail that you did, separate it into two strands, then take the second ponytail and put it in the middle of those two strands. Just drop it down, see? So then the ponytail is in the middle and you're going to add hair, kind of like a braid, like you're doing like a Dutch or a French braid. So you add hair to each of those sections and you're going to use a little hair elastic and tie it all together. Then tighten it. Now repeat. Divide it in two. Drop this new little ponytail in between. Hopefully you all can see what I'm doing. Bring it back and then add hair to both sections. Then use a little hair elastic and tie that off. Now you just repeat, moving it down, and it will end up right around here, hopefully. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to turn around and record the back while I'm doing it down the back, but I'm also going to use this little clip to hold the strand in place while I'm doing like the fake braiding, if that makes sense. Hopefully it will make more sense when I'm recording. Now I have reached the end. I've incorporated all my hair into this braid. Looking here, I can see there's a little bit of like bumps, but bobby pins always fix that. So I'll just pin and fix these bumps but it kind of can be like a messy hairstyle, so it's really not that big a deal. So currently I have all my hair now into 2 little ponytails. Ideally you would want them to be the same size, but as you can see mine are not, so it doesn't really matter. So now we are just going to combine these 2 ponytails. Actually, we're going to do one more loop just to bring it down a little bit. One more braid sectional. And now I'm going to put them into a little bubble bun. So I kind of just looped the hair and tied it. I still have a little bit of hair remaining, depending on the length of your hair. You'll see how much you have left. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide that remaining hair into 2 sections and just twist. This would look a lot better if I had thicker hair or more hair, but I'll work with what I have. So now, see how it's twisted? I'm just going to pull the twist. This is just for volume. I'm just going to pull out the edges of the twist. Then I'm going to take that hair, wrap it, and tuck it underneath into that little hairband. So it's just tucked. So this is currently what the bun looks like, and we will fix that and deal with it later. But for now, let's focus on the braid. Okay, so this is currently what the braid looks like. It's a little bit harder to see because I do have very dark brown hair. But what we're going to do is, see these little hairbands? We're going to pull our hair to make the braids more visible. So we pull right above those little hairbands, all the way down. And keep gently tugging and pulling until they reach kind of the fullness and thickness that you want. And you can pull out the sides of the braid as well. It's kind of like a fun little faux braid. It's especially good, in my opinion, for when you have thinner hair because it gives you the look of thicker hair. Okay, so now that we've done the braid, we are going to focus on the bun. So you're just going to take a little bobby pin and you're going to bobby pin the bun all up around. So kind of just pull it until you're happy with the way it looks. And that was today's tutorial. Sorry I had to do a voiceover for the last part. We have some construction going on, so it's kind of noisy, and this is the best place to film because of the lighting. The 2 tips I would give for this hairstyle are use bobby pins because your hair is going to be a little bit funky unless you have perfect hair. Good for you if you do. And tip number 2, get good quality little hairbands because these I got from the dollar store and they break in my hair and my hair's thin, so they shouldn't be breaking. I just felt one like pop a little bit ago. So get good quality little hairbands or use regular hairbands. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more content, and hope you all have an amazing day.